Hey guys, today is 21st November 2020. Tomorrow is the qualifier exam for this BSc degree online by IIT Madras. So I've been studying for this exam. In this one, I will tell I will teach you last minute preparation. Okay, so tomorrow is qualifier. Oh, okay. I actually never watched any of the lecture videos. My assignment score were 90, 84, 75, 76 like this. Actually I never watched the lecture videos. I didn't have time, so I just opened the assignment and I used to solve that assignment. And whenever I didn't knew anything like what is interquartile range or something like that, I used to Google up and learn that time from the Google. So this used to save a lot of time, and I have not really prepared for it. I actually like seeing videos and so much, but I've got a decent score and I'm confident that I will clear it. So I'll just provide a last minute revision. So this statistics, and it's very easy, you can do it, you don't have to think that it's hard and all. Okay, so I'll tell you now how to uh, just prepare for this statistics in one day. Tomorrow is qualifier, just a few hours maybe for the first batch. Okay, so let's get to work. See, this is statistics for data science. Okay, what is the maximum marks? Maximum marks is 50, and we have to get something like 40% for like qualifier to pass the qualifier. So we assume 25 marks we aim. Okay, so we'll get 50% marks. Okay, so here is the main topic, most important topics from which uh, most of the questions will come. I've never really studied uh, really hard for any test. I was really but I still used to score a lot more because I always studied last night. But I used to do focus studies, that what was it, 80-20 principle, like 20%, 80% of your results come from 20% of that. So I didn't used to study much, but I used to spend time on focusing what will come. Okay, so this is the main list of topics that I will be uploading video, and you can watch it even before 2 hours before your qualifier exam. Okay, this will be short, 1 hour, just to clear the this qualifier. So this is the 6 topics: mean, median, mode, interquartile range, standard deviation, sample variance, plot, box plot and whisker plot, outliers in data set. This, and in assignment also questions from this has came. Okay, so, and one more, there is average, but I assume average everyone knows that basic. So these 6 topics we will cover in 1 hour, next 1 hour. So I will be uploading videos for this, 15-20 minutes videos, so you can clear the qualifier. Okay, see you then.